Panther Pyro here. Here is my first board. Got it hooked up here. So we're gonna go Hootenanny, Bump Bear, Palm Pyro, Bold Colors, and then go Deja Vu, Charge, Molten Core, and then New York. And we'll go here and do this board. And then we have this board for this. And we got this board, Cosmic Carnival, Essence of Fire, Sexy Rider, and Amped. God of Fire, Pyro, Wolfpack, and Schizo, we're brothers. Next board, Cosmic, Sons of Liberty, Tropic Thunder, Fortress of Fire. Here's our next one, Mobile Menace, Phandemonium, Urban Warrior. Start of the finale, we got Crown Brocade, a Shell, Wicked Awesome, Paris Prattle, Voodoo Devil. Then we got Highfalutin, Sunshine State, Pounding Barrage, Windup. Then this is the finale. So it's gonna go Phenomena, Da Bomb, X9, some Shells, and then the two Wacky Tobaccos. So let me come back here and then I'll show you the whole thing. So that's the whole thing. All right, guys. Pyro on.